at this point in our conversation, we flip the script, which means that I ask Mark to ask me a question. The first question is on his mind. Any question at all? Go.
So why did you pick Made in Moray?
As the title.
Well, as a title and also as a podcast.
As a podcast. Well, I wanted to know what makes this region. And I do a lot of listening, audiobooks, podcasts, information, my one-to-one personal development with people. It's a lot of listening. And I heard a lot of people using the phrase, Made in Moray, Made in Moray, Made in Moray, or in Moray, in Moray, in Moray this, in Moray that, as if there was something completely unique and completely special encompassing the idea of in Moray, as if it wasn't in Aberdeen or Aberdeenshire or Inverness or the Highlands, that there was something completely unique about that. And that's part of the exploration of what makes things work here, what makes things tick here, what makes the business run. And I'd also done 7, 8, 9, 10 other different podcasts that have run their course, and it seemed like a natural progression. And it's a great way to reach out and connect with fantastic people and talk about their work and their business and their ideas with them, because I've met you a number of times before, very briefly, always polite, always smart, always busy. And you don't want to grab that person when they're in the middle of their work, and they've got other things on their mind that they have to do. But so my way around that is to set up this whole framework where I get a chance to pick the brains of people I respect and admire, and hopefully get a chance to learn something, feeling that, as you said earlier, if I can learn something from it, then probably other people can learn as well at the same time. So that's the whole concept. Does that answer your question?
Yeah, 100%. Yeah, no, it's good. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Cool. Right.